Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp faux soup. First, let's create a rich broth. Begin by sautéing shrimp shells with ginger, onion, and garlic until fragrant. Add water, toasted whole spices like star anise and cinnamon, and a touch of fish sauce. Simmer this mixture for at least 30 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. This forms the heart of your delicious pho. Next, let's get our noodles and shrimp ready. Cook your flat rice noodles as directed on the package, aiming for a perfect al dente texture. Drain them well and set aside. For the shrimp, gently add them to the simmering hot broth. They cook very quickly, usually in just 2 to 3 minutes, turning pink and opaque. Remove them promptly to prevent overcooking and keep them tender. Now for the exciting part, assembling your pho bowl. Start by placing a generous portion of the cooked rice noodles into a large, deep bowl. Next, artfully arrange your perfectly cooked shrimp over the noodles. Add a vibrant array of fresh herbs like cilantro, basil, and green onions. Finally, carefully ladle the steaming hot, fragrant broth over everything, ensuring all ingredients are submerged. To complete your shrimp pho, offer a selection of fresh garnishes. Common choices include crisp bean sprouts, fresh lime wedges, and thinly sliced jalapenos for a little kick. Don't forget hoisin sauce and sriracha, allowing everyone to customize their bowl to their liking. Serve your delicious homemade shrimp pho immediately and savor every warm, flavorful spoonful. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.